Welcome to another in the series of how-to videos presented by Bakersfield Internet and eHostWebsite.com. I'll be your host, Kyle Brown. In this how-to, we will show you how to make mailing labels from an Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. First off, we're going to go ahead and, of course, open up our Excel file. And we'll click Open. Mailing labels is what we're going to be working on. This happens to be a file that we've already created of businesses here in our area. And take a note of the header right up here, first name, last name, address, business type, DBA. Save it somewhere that you know where you can find it. Save as, in this case we've created a list called FBN, fictitious business name statement list, and we're going to call this one Mailing Labels New Business. So let's save that. Save. Okay. Then we go ahead and go to our Microsoft Word. Open up a new page, start fresh, blank document, create. Now, obviously we're making mailing labels. So the easiest way to do this is to click on the tab Mailing. Click on Start Mail Merge. We're going to do this as easy as possible. Scroll down to the bottom, step-by-step Mailing Merge Wizard. It'll walk you through the entire process. So, click on Labels, down to the bottom, Next, Label Options. Make sure you're using a 30 up, in this case, 30 per page. Click OK. Next. Now we're going to go ahead and select our recipient. So we need to find our file. My computer, since you know where you saved it. Mailing Labels, New Business. Open. And select the second one. Select OK. And just take a look. Okay, we see we've got our last name, first name, DBA name, just like our header on the other side, mailing city, state, zip, and individual type all the way across. Everything looks good. Click OK. Then, let's go ahead and open this up just a little bit more. There we go. Okay. Now we need to arrange our labels, of course. Click on Address Block just to make sure everything is correct. This is going to show you what the finished product looks like. And let's say this was not correct. You click on Match Fields. It will look at the fields in your database versus the fields that it has here. In this case, first name, last name, last name. Company name is DBA name. Address is M Street, which happens to stand for mailing. M City, M State, M Zip. So everything looks good. And of course you can add more information if you're doing a larger label. And we want to remember this so that next time it's exactly the same. Click OK. Everything looks good there. Click OK. Update labels. And it adds in next record, next record. I recommend for your labels, hit Control A, which will highlight everything on the screen. Click on the Home button and change your font size to an 8 or a 9 so that everything fits nicely. I usually do a 9. So now everything is a 9. Next, let's go ahead and preview our labels, make sure they look good. And they look good. See how everything seems to flow well? There's no overhang. Everything seems to be on here just correct. Next, complete the merge and print and all records. And it'll obviously prompt you to print, and it'll print all of your pages. That is it. It is as simple as that to create labels. I hope this was helpful. Keep an eye out for more videos on how to do things. Thank you.